So let's understand keywords in Python. First, we need to understand what is a keyword. Like if you take any programming language, if you have idea about any programming language, you will be seeing some of the words like if, while, and, or this type of some words already you will be using in your programs. Now all these words, like in each and every programming language, you will be seeing some standard words, universal standard words. Now all those universal standard words, why those words are actually used? So those words is having some specific purpose for performing any specific task. It is being used, and its task, it's already predefined. It's already predefined. Like for different purpose, for different tasks, you will be using some words, and it is having some specific meaning. Now how many keywords you will be having in Python? Let's see. So for this case, what you have to do, just go in ideally shell and just import keyword. Now after this, let's write keyword dot kw list. So as you can see the output, all these words are actually keyword, means universal standard words. These are all the words in Python. Now how many words present, how many keywords present in Python? So let's check. I'm using here len function. This is an inbuilt function you can use. So put this comment inside this len function. You will be seeing what is the length of this entire list, because this is what actually called a list. You will be seeing in the data type. So if you see what is the length of the list, it will give you the count of the words present inside this list. So as you can see, 35. So in Python, you will be having 35 keywords. 35 keywords present in Python. Now, among these words, you will be seeing some of the difference between all these keywords. You will be seeing, if you observe carefully, that false, none, true. Only these three keywords present, which is actually starting with uppercase. Now, apart from these three keywords, all these keywords are in lowercase. Now, these three keywords is actually called special keywords. So, in Python, you will be having out of these 35 keywords, there are three special keywords. Three special keywords. Now, why those keywords are actually special? First of all, there is one indication. It is starting with uppercase. It is starting with uppercase. Now one more point is, like, why these keywords is actually used for some specific task, and its task is predefined by the developer, means it is the task is fixed. Now if you write a variable, here I am taking a variable, this is what called variable a equals to, if I write if, there is no such meaning of it, it will give you syntax error. Whereas if I take these keywords, these special keywords, let's suppose a equals to false, if I write like this, it will take. Even if I write a equals to true, again it will not throw any error. Even a equals to none, if I do, then also it is possible. So the thing is these three special keywords, it has some specific meaning, it is used for any specific task. Plus there is one more plus point is, it can be used, it can be used as value of the variable. Value of the variable. So out of this 35 keywords, these three you are having these special keywords, and rest of it are normal keywords. Now we will be moving forward to variables in Python.